Hi guys, how are you? This is the second part of our revision. So let's start. Question number 4. Lettuce salad vinegar oil salad dressing snack mix. So the answer is letter D, examples of the heterogeneous mixture because they are not a homogeneous mixture as you know. Number 5. Condenses into a liquid. From the properties of the gas is condensed by cooling. So the answer letter D, gas condenses into a liquid. Question number 6. Soap, drain cleaner, ammonia, fertilizers, sodium hydroxide, or lye used to make soap and some plastics. They are the substance of bases. So the answer B, examples of bases, not acids. Number 7 is the strength of a base. The strength of base, so it is alkalinity. If it's acid, so you write acidity. Acidity is the strength of the acid, but alkalinity is the strength of a base. Number 8, which of the following is a physical change? You know, physical change is there is no forming of a new substance with new properties. So you will find the substance will not change. So water boiling. From the physical change, the water boiling. So when the matter changes from a state to another state, it is a physical change, not chemical change. Number 9, snow changing to water vapor is an example of sublimation. You know, sublimation, it is a substance by which the substance changes from solid state to gaseous state without passing through the liquid state. Okay, so sublimation, like the dry ice, you'll find it solid and it changes into gas. Sublimation. Number 10, when most liquids freeze, undergo, you'll find the answer is expansion or thermal expansion according to increasing in volume. You know the matter expands by heating and contract by cooling. But when the liquid freezes, you will find the volume of ice, for example, the volume of ice become more than the volume of water. So you will find the volume increases, okay, by cooling. When liquid freezes, you will find the volume increases. So this is expansion, okay. Next page. Number 11, when a gas loses heat, it condenses. So I told you before, when the gas cool, it condenses and changes to liquids. So when the gas loses heat, it condenses. 12, still an example of alloy. You know, alloy is a mixing of two or more metals with each other. So steel is alloy, like the iron plus carbon. Okay. Now, what about the comparison? Compare between the following terms. This is a question. This is a question 6. What about the comparison between acids and bases? So we will concentrate to the properties of acids and bases. Now, what about the first column? Acids. Taste sour. Change blue litmus paper to red. You know the blue litmus the litmus paper is the indicator to test for the presence of acids. So you will find change blue litmus paper to red. React with metals and give off hydrogen ion in water. So when you put acids in water, you will find it's produce hydrogen ion. For example, hydrochloric acid. What about the bases? Taste is bitter. You know bitter, no, not sweety. Feel soapy. That means that it has a slippery feel, like soap. Change red litmus paper to blue. When you put the red litmus paper in bases, you will find it's changing to blue. So this is how to test for the base. Give off hydroxide ions. So you will find just when you put bases in water, it produces hydroxide ions. Example, soap and ammonia. Solute and the solvent. This is a comparison of the solute and the solvent. Solute, it is a smaller amount. I told you before that when you see the smaller amount, it is a solute. Like the salt in water. The salt is solute, okay? So it is a smaller amount that is dissolved in the solution. Solvent, it is a larger amount that dissolves the other substance in the solution. Like when you put salt in water, you will find the water is a solvent that dissolves the solute. Now, what about the just wait. Acidity and alkalinity. Acidity, it is the strength of an acid. It is the strength of an acid. Okay. And what about the alkalinity? It is the strength of a base. This is according to the first part, okay, of our revision today. So thank you and goodbye to the next revision, okay.